The vision of autonomous air mobility is inevitable. Society just cannot scale ground mobility anymore. Ground resources are scarce while the technology to make use of the sky above our heads is already here. The key to making use of the airspace is autonomy and scalability. With FlightOps, drone service providers can scale their operations beyond visual line of sight, while operating multiple drones in shared airspace. We help commercial drone operators dramatically expand their operations, reduce costs, and increase regulatory compliance by leveraging the power of advanced onboard robotics. FlightOps transforms previously unthinkable opportunities into real possibilities that leads to the commercialization of drone operations worldwide. FlightOps middleware layer simplifies the connection and integration of an ever-growing number of UAVs and payloads. Its APIs and SDKs let customers develop applications tailored to their business processes, thereby future-proofing their investments. Many of the world's top drone service providers already utilize FlightOps technology and accumulate thousands of hours of commercial flight each month. FlightOps, look up for what's next.